Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove all third-party sites access to your Gmail. So most of us are very much lazy. So instead of us setting a password, we choose to sign in with a Gmail and then we give them access to email so that we can be logging in our account. Very simple and easy. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete all these third-party sites that you've given them access to your Gmail. So now let's get going. I searched something here, and then you can do this on your mobile phone as well. Very much simple. You just need to follow the tutorial. So now I hop on my account, which is Google Account Manager here. This is a tutorial mail, and then on here I move to security. Good. So I scroll down here and you can see my connections here. So you can see I do YouTube, so click connections here. These are all third-party sites that I've given them access to, here. So Instagram Lite, wow, Instagram. So I'm going to show you how you can remove all of them. I don't think this is necessary. I don't even have an Instagram account. I don't know why it's linked to this. So now let me show you guys how you can remove all these third-party sites. You should sometimes remove them because not all these websites are trusted, but then for companies like AliExpress, Canva and the rest, they are trusted, but then not all of them are trusted. So now let me show you guys how you can remove all these third-party websites. So number one is AliExpress. I'm not in China, so I'm not going to shop there. So let's delete the connections from AliExpress. Good. So I confirm here. So now if you have an account with AliExpress, they are going to remove it. It's going to take some time. It's going to reload. Good. Deleted. So I've given 11 different apps or website access. I don't like this as well. So let me delete this. So this is it. This is how you can delete third-party sites that you've given them access to your Gmail. So when you give these people access, sometimes they give you prompts. When you are giving them access, they can access your mails that you send, your settings and a lot of stuff. So if they are not really trusted, they can breach your data. They can get access to your data and then breach your data. Video, if you are new here, do well to like and then subscribe to my channel, and you can check out a lot of how-to videos on my channel. So that's it. Peace.